It's the week after the Super Bowl. I'm at the scene of yet another high-speed chase that ended up in a crash. This time the two people that were in the car were lucky. They survived. Relatively unhurt, I think. And this is pretty much in the same area that the one that happened last week was at. Berry Road and 169. This area here used to be Metro North Mall. Now it's tee shots. It's like a golf driving range. And that's Macy's over there. And here's where we're at. Trying to get info from the Highway Patrol. I don't know if they're going to give it to me. They're busy. Yeah, it turned out to be a busy night tonight. So, today, this morning, whatever. So, I'm going to get me some coffee. Actually, first, let us admire the artisanry. Okay, now we can enjoy it. Coffee. Hey, how you doing? I'm at Wheeler Downtown Airport. Hard to shoot through this fence, but a plane was in trouble, but it landed safely, which is usually how this goes. So with all the plane crashes we've been having lately, it's gotta respond. But 9 times out of 10, this is what happens. You stand here waiting for nothing. Heck, a great deal of the time you don't even see the airplane, don't even know where it went. But all the emergency equipment's going in now. I ended up at yet another officer involved shooting. It was almost like 1 week later, it was like deja vu. And deja vu, isn't that kind of like a French? Well, speaking of French, my reporter is interviewing somebody for a story he's doing on a guy who likes to bike his kids to school here at Academy Lafayette. There's that French tie-in. And oh man, the traffic here is nuts. And that's what I think the gist of the story is. Take your life in your own hands when you do this. But I used to live around here too. Used to live up in an apartment up that way. Anyway, so when my wife always asked me where I'm at, we lived at this apartment over here. Usually she'd call me, and so many times when she'd call me, we'd be on this main thoroughfare here called Gillum Road. So we'd be like, where are you? I'm on Gillum. And then eventually that just became our answer. Every time she asked me where I'm at, I go, I'm on Gillum. I could be on the other side of the moon, but I'd say I'm on Gillum. So here I am. I'm on Gillum. Ooh. Today is Tuesday, so got to go home and rest. Steamer. You ready to go for a walkie dongies? Ready? Walking the dogs. Yep. Yet another homicide. Although this one, the victim apparently is a child, which is terrible. Yowza, it has been a long ass day. Oh yeah, LTA unavailable. My sensors are messed up because of the snow. Never had that happen before. They'll come back when it melts. Anyway, it's been a long ass day. I'm gonna go have some breakfast. Nope, we're not open. I think this one is open. Let's hope. Well, I guess I'll settle for a burger brunch. Town topic. I just had to do a sit-down job in the world's tiniest bathroom. I've been in RV toilets that are bigger than this. TMI, man, TMI. We are sassified. Been a week of homicides, and you think today would be any different even after a big snowstorm? Nope. Even here in KCK, I think reported 2 teenagers shot to death here on Birch Street. Here, I guess this is Argentine. So, yep, just keeps on going. To my surprise today, this weather is so beautiful. Awesome. The fam is having their vittles. Is it good? Must be good. Best panics in town. It's time for the boys to get a haircut. Getting it whacked. Haircut.
Get a full shot of them, huh?
Look, there's a deer. There's a deer. Hi, deer. 2 deers.
Nope. 2 deers. Here's the rest.
Squirrels.
Oh. You say that until you see one bouncing off your car.
There's a baby one. Bambi. Bambies. They're babies. I think they're brothers.
It's that day of the week. Not a big shopping day. Wow. Look at that beautiful sunset. It's so bright, it's in my eyes. Oops. Let's go backwards. Try not to hit anybody. Yeah, I didn't have much on the shopping list here at the big box warehouse store. So I didn't spend the required hundreds of dollars that you have to spend at these places. let's go get gas. But the weather is in the 50s. Actually, it says 61 on my car thermometer. 59 on the Weather Channel. And it's supposed to be in the 60s tomorrow, and then it's supposed to go into deep freeze, and maybe we're going to have more winter weather at the same time of the week, Wednesday, Thursday. So, oh boy, it's a wonder anybody can keep from getting sick all the time with the weather going up and down, up and down, up and down. But that's what it does. So, ooh, let's go get some cheap big box warehouse store gas. Alrighty.